Do you want to see a modern luxury home? We're going to tour the Eider floor plan by DRB Homes here at Seaire. Let's go check it out. What I love about DRB Homes is their modern design. Look at these garage doors, the modern elevation. As you enter, you're going to come into like a huge family room. And this is a split floor plan, so we're going to take you around the whole house, but everybody's got their own space. And look at this custom kitchen here. You got double ovens here, custom cabinetry with glass insert, breakfast bar seating, farmhouse sink. You have a glass cooktop range and a stainless steel hood vent. And off the kitchen, you have this dining space here. And this is a huge table. We're going to come across the kitchen to the owner suite, which is going to be located in the back of the home. And check out how huge this owner suite is. You have so much space. You have natural light. We got tray ceilings here, surround sound. Again, you can customize this however you want. Now let's go check out the ensuite bathroom. You have a little makeup vanity over here, huge glass enclosed shower, rain shower, 2 other shower heads, and 3 controls. And let's check out this closet. It's like a whole nother room in here. You got quartz countertop, dual sinks. And we're gonna head to the front of the home. And you hook into a bedroom, flows into a bathroom here. Quartz countertops, dual sink, tub shower combo. This was built as like a multi-gen room, so you got cabinets here, a wine bar. This could be like a secondary living space for a child or a mother-in-law. Now coming off that room, we're gonna make a left off the family room. Another full bathroom here, tub shower combo, wall to floor tile, quartz countertop. And you have another bedroom here. They have it set up as an office. Does have a closet over there. And again, beautiful natural light coming in these windows. All right, we're gonna go across the house now. This is your laundry room. So you got a washer, dryer, you got a laundry sink, you could add cabinets. And we're gonna hook this corner and head upstairs. And so as you get up the stairs, you got a huge loft space, secondary living space. This would be perfect for the kids up here. You do have 2 additional bedrooms and a bathroom. Here's one of the bedrooms here. Good sized bedroom. Again, window, natural light, walk-in closet. And we're gonna hook around the corner here. You got another full bathroom up here to service the bedroom. Quartz countertop, dual sinks, glass enclosed shower, wall to floor tile. And the last bedroom, another good sized bedroom up here. Windows, natural light, walk-in closet. Check out how cool this bonus room can be. Tray ceiling, beams, all this trim on the wall. This would be a really cool playroom for the kids. Now let's go check out the backyard. Check out this outdoor kitchen. You have your own sink. You got your own cabinets out here, a flat top grill. You got a TV, fireplace, extended brick paver patio out here. And then of course, cornhole. If you're interested in building with DRB Homes here at Seaire, give me a call, 813-587-2424. And remember, I could help you with any builder, new home community, or resale home. Please like and subscribe for future community and new home tours. See you in the next video.